The site is secure. Engineers, prepare the ROVs. Historians, confirm the grid coordinates. Let's execute the plan.
Lower the payload to 30 meters. Maintain strict tension on the main cable. Acknowledge descent rate.
Descending beneath the waves, the team faces the challenge of accurately mapping the elusive wreck.
We're exceeding the ascent rate on line 3.
Adjusting pressure valves now. Parameters are stabilizing. We have green across the board.
The violent expansion of trapped air pockets, caused by sudden pressure changes, can instantaneously compromise the hull's integrity.
Easy on the port side.
Confirmed, Captain. We are holding steady.
Ready to clamp on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Clamped. Pressure looks good. Moving on.
Tension on the starboard side is fluctuating, requesting slow, steady adjustment now. Over.
Sonar sweep confirms steady position, maintaining current depth.
Roger that. Data lines holding firm.
Ascent rate holding steady at 10 meters per minute. Roger.
Keep an eye on the forward cables for slippage. Prepare for potential deflation sequence.
We did it! Yes! Finally!
Look at that sunset. We earned this view.
Retriever control, confirm hull integrity readings on the starboard side.
Readings are stable. Control. Moving to stern.
Keep the pressure steady on pump 4. We need to clear the starboard hatches first.
Hull integrity reading point 49er.
Recorded. Moving to the next quadrant.
As you could see, the reading here is 9.8 millimeters, indicating significant thinning due to localized corrosion.
All right, slow lift on the winch.
Copy. Lifting now.
Easy, bring it down to the cradle. Secured. Phase 1 is complete. The sub is stable and the braces are secured.
Excellent work, boss. Couldn't have done it better ourselves.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the H-bit. Secure the locking pin now.
The sheer scale of these silent systems is evident in the massive rivets.
To maintain historical accuracy, the new steel is welded directly onto the existing hull structure, a painstaking process.
The structural integrity at Node 47 appears compromised. We need to run the thermal cycling simulation again.
Detaching the final connection on the mechanical unit.
Okay, bringing in the piezoelectric array now. Ensure alignment before securing it with the torque wrench.
All right, team, as you can see, the VHF systems are holding steady, but we've got a strong signal from the new satellite array.
Connect the main power line to the battery terminal.
It's connected. Data stream is stable.
Excellent. The installation is complete.
So I told him, that's not a wrench, that's my lunch. And he almost dropped the whole engine block right there.
Look at that seam, perfectly smooth.
Incredible craftsmanship, truly a relic now.
We did it. It looks amazing.
Sequence initiated. Rerouting auxiliary power to the main conduits.
Power flow is stable. Thrusters engaging.
Ensure these sections are complete.
Confirmed. Structural integrity verified.
Okay, certified.
We have a hull breach simulation. Move, move. Blowing forward ballast. All hands to escape stations.
This isn't just metal. It's memory, resilience.